Lauren with How to Beauty, and today I am wearing this super cute Balenciaga hoodie that I got. I wasn't expecting on getting it. I have a whole show and tell about this little hoodie, but I just thought bring in the pink vibes. So cute. So this video is going to be super short, but I wanted to share with you two totes that I purchased from a brand I never thought I would purchase. Now, I had seen them around in Neiman's, in Nordstrom, in Bloomingdale's, but they just never really caught my fancy. And I think it's because these handbags were in like really drab colors: brown, black, navy, green. I watched a movie recently, and I'm trying to think what it was. I watched the movie recently and she was carrying around a green one, and I was like, oh, that's cute. I don't want that one, but let me investigate these handbags and see if I want one. So the brand is called Goyard, and they were established in 1853 in Paris. And I just thought, not Paris, Texas, Paris, France. And so I decided to take a look and like a deeper dive into what these handbags would be like. And so I took a chance. I want to say these handbags retail anywhere from $1,000 to $3,000, and I'm just talking about the basic tote that I got. They have luggage that's like even more expensive. Obviously, the more bells and whistles you get, the more expensive they are. Even with just like a regular Louis Vuitton tote, they retail probably $500 to $800 more just for a zipper. I know it's crazy. So without further ado, the first Goyard tote I purchased is this light pink. I purchased them at the same time. Now you can see it's got the beautiful wrinkling in it, and I really haven't taken the time to stuff this bag and to reshape it. I just wanted to make sure the bottom was shaped nicely. Inside, it's really basic. I have my little organizer in there from Amazon. Every bag is going to come with its own little wallet, and it has a place to put, you know, whatever you want here. It actually opens up, and you have one little place here. So if you decided to run into the grocery store or wherever you're going, shopping, whatever, out to eat, you can take this and just pop it off so easy, and you can just run around with this if you want to. Otherwise, I keep mine in my bag. I don't know why, I just do. And then it has this little guide to hold it in place. What I loved about this tote was a couple things. I love the color, and you're gonna love the color of the second one. I love that the handles weren't rinky-dinky. I mean, they are really nice and like have a substantial, firm way about them and the way they're made. I just loved this size. I want to say they come in 54, 56 centimeters, and then there's like a 46 centimeter. And then this is the biggest one, obviously, and this is the one that I wanted. Obviously, I love to just fit a bunch of stuff in here. Oh, there are my glasses. Anyway, you never know what you're going to find in your handbag. But I just love this. I didn't know that I would, but I love it. So the second one I got was more colorful. It was something that I felt like was really me. But of course I had to get two. This is the same size, 56, 54 centimeter, whatever it is. It's their largest one. I just love, again, the handles are just really nice and sturdy. That's the word I was looking for a minute ago. Again, it also comes with the little wallet, which is really nice. I'm calling it a wallet. You can call it whatever you want. Again, very plain inside. There's only a little bit of logo right here. I don't even know if that's how it really is in real life. It might be a little different. They're in several different places in the bag. I just like that it was there. I think, I'm going to show you one more time. I think it's a little different on the authentic bag. But who cares? I mean, it's so cute. I'm not even going to tell you how much I paid for this, but it was nothing. It was 20 bucks, yeah. So super cute Goyard. If you're interested, they are everywhere. You can find one in just about every color imaginable. But I just wanted to show you those two little gems that I found super cute, love them, will carry them. And the other thing is they're really, really, really lightweight. So sometimes other brands can have like a very, very heavy canvas. So things are really, really pile in there and it's just is a heavy bag. This is not a heavy bag. So there you go. Tell me what you think in the comments. Tell me if you like the handbags. From what I understand, Goyard doesn't make a ton of pink. That's why I saw all this brown and black and green and blue stuff, and white. They do white as well. So if I had seen these handbags in the stores, like on the shelf in these colors that are supposedly limited, I would have jumped on them. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. You guys have a great day or night wherever you are. Bye.